Today, something remarkable occurred in the field of AI. It's called the Anthropic release of the next generation of Claude 3. It's a new and improved AI model that has surprised everyone by outperforming all other AI models in every critical test. This is a big deal because it sets a new standard in AI capabilities. In today's video, we will explore this fascinating AI. Imagine it like a new whiz arriving on the scene, only this time it's in the world of artificial intelligence. So what's exciting about this release is that it pushes the boundaries of what AI can do, opening up new possibilities for solving complex problems. Let's not waste our time and get into the details. The remarkable advancements of Claude 3, Opus. So, they've just rolled out 3 new models under the Claude 3 family: Claude 3 Haiku, Claude 3 Sonnet, and Claude 3 Opus. These models vary in intelligence levels, with Opus being the brainiest. Despite the slight increase in cost as intelligence rises, all 3 models bring something intriguing to the table. Now let's focus on Claude 3 Opus. This model stands out as the smartest among its peers in the AI world. It excels in various tasks, like handling undergraduate and graduate level knowledge, crunching numbers, and even conversing in different languages like Spanish, Japanese, and French. Moreover, Opus demonstrates almost human-like comprehension and fluency in complex tasks, setting a new standard for AI intelligence. Regarding benchmarks, Claude 3 Opus blows the competition out of the water. It even surpasses the likes of GPT-4 and Gemini 1.0 Ultra, which were previously considered top-notch. Opus shows exceptional performance across the board, with percentages nearing perfection in categories like standard knowledge and content creation. Surprisingly, Opus managed to outshine these established models within just a few months of its release. This rapid progress speaks volumes about the pace of AI advancements. Now, let's talk about the qualitative aspect. Beyond numbers and benchmarks, what truly matters is how users perceive the model. Early feedback suggests that people find Opus impressive on paper and in genuine interactions. Users report a different experience while conversing with Opus than other large language models. This qualitative data is crucial because it reflects how well the model resonates with its users. Moreover, Opus brings some exciting vision capabilities to the table. It can process various visual formats like photos, charts, graphs, and technical diagrams, aligning with the needs of enterprise customers. As seen with the Claude 3 release, the continuous development in AI pushes the boundaries of intelligence and raises questions about the future landscape of AI technologies. With models like Opus leading the charge, we're witnessing a significant leap in AI capabilities, promising new possibilities in problem-solving, language understanding, and visual processing. So, while we're overwhelmed by Opus's performance on benchmarks, it's equally important to consider how users perceive and interact with the model in real-world scenarios. This blend of quantitative and qualitative evaluation helps us gauge the true impact and potential of AI advancements like Claude 3 Opus. Claude 3 Opus analysis and collaboration. First, Opus took on the challenge of analyzing GDP trends for the US. Using its vision model, it scanned data from web pages just like we do, and then whipped up a table and a graph with startling accuracy, within 5% of the real deal. And it didn't just regurgitate facts, it learned to analyze data from natural and made-up scenarios. But Opus didn't stop there. It entered the future, running simulations to predict where the US GDP might head. With its Python skills, it crunched numbers and gave us a glimpse into what lies ahead, using an excellent technique called Monte Carlo simulations. It's like peeking into a crystal ball, but with data and code. They threw Opus a curveball, analyzing GDP trends across multiple world economies. But Opus didn't sweat it. It enlisted the help of its sub-agent buddies, breaking down the task into bite-sized pieces for each economy. And they nailed it, projecting future GDP shares with fancy pie charts and insightful analysis. What's so mind-blowing about this? Well, it's not just about Opus crunching numbers. It's about teamwork. And those sub-agents are like Opus's sidekicks, working together to tackle big, hairy problems. The simulations are not just fantastic, they're powerful. Imagine if Opus's predictions start coming true. With each correct guess, we could feed that data into the system, making Opus even brighter. It's like a self-improving AI, getting sharper with every prediction it nails. Opus can clone itself into specialized versions, each tackling a different puzzle piece. With this setup, the possibilities are endless. Imagine what we could achieve with a whole army of Opuses working in sync. Overall, we've seen more than just AI doing fancy tricks here. It's a glimpse into the future of collaboration and intelligence. With Claude 3 Opus leading the charge, we're entering a new era of AI where teamwork and advanced analysis redefine what's possible. A closer look. So they introduced this concept of dispatching sub-agents. Let me tell you, it's a game changer. For instance, you've got a big task, and instead of relying on just one model, you can split it into smaller chunks and let multiple models work on it simultaneously. Efficiency through the roof. This could revolutionize how we tackle complex problems in the AI world. And speaking of efficiency, let's talk about Haiku, another Claude 3 model. This one is all about speed and affordability, especially when handling vast amounts of visual data. They showed us how Haiku blitzed through thousands of scanned documents from the Great Depression era. Imagine being a filmmaker or journalist trying to sift through all that info. It's a nightmare. But Haiku, piece of cake. It effortlessly transcribed images, pulled out keywords, and even evaluated the storytelling potential of each document. Haiku isn't just about speed, it's about making sense of messy data. Those scanned documents could be more pristine, but Haiku can handle the chaos, pulling out structured data like a pro. The list goes on to think of the possibilities for organizations with massive archives, publishers, healthcare providers, and law firms. Haiku could revolutionize how we dig through mountains of data, turning chaos into order in record time. They mentioned something about immediate responses, and that's where Haiku shines. It's lightning fast and can digest complex research papers with charts and graphs in seconds flat. And it's not just fast, it's cost-effective too. Compared to previous models, Haiku delivers results at a fraction of the cost, making it a game-changer for tasks that demand rapid responses. Now, let's talk about Opus, the heavyweight champ of the Claude 3 family. This powerhouse model quickly tackles everything from common-sense reasoning to complex multi-step tasks. And it's not just about crunching numbers, it's about thinking creatively. Opus can generate structured data, run simulations, and even collaborate with other models to get the job done. It's like having a super smart teammate who's always ready to lend a hand. Overall, what we've seen with the Claude 3 models is fantastic. From dispatching sub-agents to blazing through scanned documents, these models push the boundaries of what AI can do. And with their lightning-fast speeds and creative problem-solving skills, they're poised to revolutionize industries. Now, let's talk about Sonnet, another impressive Claude 3 model. It acts as a language partner, helping you learn a new language. You can chat with it in Spanish, or any language you're learning, and it'll correct your mistakes and help you improve. It's like having a personal language tutor at your fingertips.